Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. I've been working on a fabric memory book. I've been meaning to do it for some time. I don't know about you, but fabrics form part of my memory about things that have happened in my life. And I got to thinking about having a lovely memory book of fabrics that mean a lot to me with my mum. So I've made this book. I'm not going to go through each fabric and say what they mean because it's quite personal, but I just wanted to show you the idea. So I've made the book out of a calico type fabric, and then I've just added the fabrics that I feel mean the most to me with regards to my mum. My mum loved pink, so I've added some pink hearts on this page. This fabric was actually part of my mum's dress that she wore to my wedding, and that's the bridesmaid dress that my sister wore. So I had bits of fabric left over from that and have kept it for years and years. This also means a great deal to me, and I think if my mum could see that I've cut it up, she'd be horrified. But I've made lots of things from it. And here we have another piece. This is a piece I cut off the bottom of her dressing gown because it was too long, so we altered it for her. And what I've done, I've made these two pages and I've blanket stitched around the edge just to neaten off to stop it fraying. And this actually, I will tell you, it's part of a suit that my mum wore. We went to a very nice wedding at Westminster Abbey many years ago, and that was part of that. And this is from a blouse that was my gran's, which was my mum's mum, and it's faded quite a lot now, so I've just edged it in black thread, and I've edged this page in pink. As I say, my mum loved pink. And I thought, you know, if you make a book like this with memories in, you could have it sort of near to you, sort of under your pillow, or just on the side by your bed, rather than, you know, just throwing pieces of fabric away. And when you know that they mean such a lot to you, they bring back such lovely memories. I just thought I'd show you that. Why don't you make a memory book? It could be a memory of a special day, a wedding, or a special day that you had, and you could choose fabrics that matched that day with different colours. I decided to go more abstract with my fabric, but you could make little pictures with your fabrics. There's so much you can do. I did add little beads here, and I had thought of outlining this flower, but I wanted to leave the fabric as it was in that portion. So I hope it gives you some ideas. Let me know if you've made one before. Let's inspire each other. On my next video, I'm going to be making another fabric book with lots of my different memories, and I'll go through how I make it. Just a short video today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.